Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature in PowerPoint 2025. How to create a hanging indent. If you're not familiar, a hanging indent is when the first line of your text starts at the margin, and the rest are indented. Think bibliographies, citations, or neat lists in your presentations. It's a game changer for making your slides look polished and professional. Let's jump right in. First things first. Open your PowerPoint presentation and head to the slide where you want to apply this. Select the text you'll be formatting, whether it's a paragraph, a bullet point, or a list. Make sure it's highlighted so you can see it clearly. Now, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the paragraph group, you'll spot a small arrow in the bottom right corner. That's the dialog box launcher. Click it to open the paragraph settings window. This is where the magic happens. In the indentation section of the dialog box, find the Special drop-down menu. Select Hanging from the options. Right below that, you can adjust the By field to set how much you want the lines to indent. Try 0.5 inches for a standard look. Once you're happy with it, click OK, and watch your text transform. Pro tip: if you're working with bulleted or numbered lists, double-check that the hanging indent doesn't mess with your formatting. You might need to tweak the list settings in the same dialog box. Also, remember that PowerPoint 2025 has made this even more intuitive, but if you're on an older version, the steps are pretty similar. And there you have it. You've just mastered hanging indents. This little trick can really elevate your presentations, making them easier to read and more engaging. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.